Minisita kugamba akubarukaho kw'endwara ya Ebola omukkyanga kya Rwenzori n'obuyaba abwina bebembezi abashaho bakuru b'amadini ba RDC n'abandi ku rw'omukkyanga kya Rwenzori omurembo hoyema.
Money making venture. It is about life and death. So let us not wait to prolong the outbreak because I am getting a small allowance. And then you don't do the work as quickly as is required.
Enshumi inchehwire akakiiko obukebembirwemu abarukuranisa endwara ya Ebola bakarangirira ngu hariho omuntu omwe ahari abo mukaaga abebahirwe ebitanda hirwara rikuru lya Fort Portal owashangirwe aine endwara ya Ebola.
To continue working with you to contain the spread of the virus and, more importantly, to protect vulnerable communities. We acknowledge that the different priority actions will need to be enhanced, including expanding surveillance and early detection.
If you are going to wait for money to control an outbreak, we are lying to ourselves. The donors did not give us a time of entry and time of exit. Did they give it to you? Did they give you that we are going to start coming in 1960 something and we shall exit in 19 something something? They didn't give us.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Jonan Tsingwere.